We're going to be talking about inspecting fall protection harnesses now. So we have a couple different fall protection items right here. So the first one that we're going to be talking about is the cross-arm beam strap. So these cross-arm beam straps, they're used to hang over I-beams and provide an anchor point for fall rest. So with this cross-arm beam strap right here, we have a brand new one. And as you can see, whenever we do our inspection, we're really looking for any deficiencies on the cross-arm beam strap. So any cuts, tears, any burn marks, anything that would make it fail on inspection, that's what we're looking for. And then once we're done, we want to put an inspection mark right here where it says every month you should do your inspection. So those are the main pieces of the cross-arm beam strap. Now let me show you an example of one that is not so good. So for example, this one right here, you can see the labels are defaced. So what the person did with this is they had a dirty cross-arm beam strap for when they were using it, and then they used a pressure washer on it, and it removed some of that load rating and labeling on there. So whenever they did that, that would be considered a fail on our inspection. So anything that has defaced labeling or markings on it, any cuts, tears, anything that could damage the cross-arm beam strap or fall protection equipment in any way, we want to tag it and remove out of service. So behind me, we're going to switch gears over to these harnesses right here. So we have two harnesses right here, one being a brand new harness with a shock absorbing lanyard. And then we have another harness with an SRL or self-retracting lifeline on it. So on this brand new harness right here, you can see that it is very clean. You can see right here, there's a little protective sleeve for all the information on our harness, like our load ratings and inspection dates. All brand new, looks really good. You can see visually, that's exactly what we were looking for. Now with these older harnesses, it doesn't have to look perfect. It doesn't have to be exactly clean, but we want to look for any deficiencies like any burns, cuts, frays, chemical damage, anything that would make it fail on inspection. So for example, we take this right here and we pull out this SRL, and you can see on the SRL, there's visible damage on the actual strap itself. So you can see where it's cut right there. That would be a reason for us to stop, tag this equipment out, and fail the inspection. Because if we were to fall with this cut right here, that's going to be potentially life-threatening if we fall. So we want to make sure that we take that out of service. Same thing on the harness. You want to do a good visual inspection on it and actually make sure that there's no cuts, damage, frays, chemical damage, UV damage, anything like that. We want to do a really detailed inspection on it.